This is a very easy example on factoring by removing the greatest common factor. We have 15 times a to the power of 8 minus 10 times b to the power of 3. We can break it down to the 5 steps that we've marked out in the notes. So step A was to find the greatest common factor of the numbers. Okay, so the factors in this case of 15, well, the factors of 15 are 1 times 15 or 3 times 5. So all of those are factors of 15. We also want the factors of 10. 10, well, that's going to be 1 times 10 or 2 times 5. Now, what you want to do is pick out the biggest number that's in both lines. Okay, the biggest number that's in both lines. It has to appear in the top line and in the bottom line. So the biggest number that appears in the top line and the bottom line is 5. Okay, we also have 1 appears on both lines, but 5 appears on both. So the greatest common factor of 15 and 10 is 5. Okay, right, step B. Step B was to write out any letter that appears in every term. Well, there is no letter that appears in every term. A appears in the first, B appears in the second, but there's no letter that appears in both terms. So there is no common variable. Okay, no common variable because no letter appears in both terms of this expression. Step C said to put your answers from A and B together. Well, there is no answer from step B, so it's just whatever you got from step A. So the GCF of the original expression of 15a to the power of 8 minus 10b to the power of 3 is simply just 5. Okay, because there was nothing from step B. Now, step D said to divide the terms of the original expression. So take the original expression, 10b cubed, and divide each of them by whatever your answer was for step C. Now, in this case, it was only 5. So we don't have any letters to worry about. So this is easy. All we have to do is divide the numbers. So 15 divided by 5 will be 3, and that'll be 3a to the power of 8. Minus 10 divided by 5 is 2, so that's 10b to the power of 3. And then we're almost finished. Step E. And step E was to put what you just got in step D. Put your answer from step D into parentheses. So whatever you got in step D, put it in parentheses. Okay, and your answer from step C, in other words, the GCF of the whole expression, your answer from step C goes outside the expression, or sorry, goes outside the parentheses, and it's here. Okay, and that's what we have. Now, if we want to check, then we'll just distribute them. Okay, so this is just checking. So this is checking. So 5 by 3 is 15a to the power of 8, and 5 by negative 2 is negative 10b cubed, which 15a to the power of 8 minus 10b cubed, which is what we had as our original question. So we know we're right. We know we're right. Okay, thanks for watching. It wasn't too bad, and it's easy when you just take out a number like that.